How Chatbot Works. Why AI Conversations Actually Work. Trinidad and Tobago Edition. How Chatbots Work Explained. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you know how Chatbot works? Ever interacted with a website or app and had a seemingly intelligent conversation with a little pop-up window? That's likely a chatbot. These digital assistants are becoming increasingly common, from answering your customer service queries to helping you find the perfect product. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how do they actually work? In this video, we're going to dive deep and demystify the inner workings of chatbots, from the basic principles to the advanced AI that powers them. Whether you're a tech enthusiast here in Trinidad and Tobago or anywhere else in the world, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these digital conversationalists operate. What exactly is a chatbot? Let's start with the basics. What is a chatbot? Simply put, a chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. They can interact through text or voice and are designed to understand and respond to your queries. Think of it like having a digital agent available 24/7. You might have encountered them when trying to get information about services offered by local businesses here in Port of Spain, or when browsing international e-commerce sites. The key components. So, what are the key building blocks that make a chatbot function? Let's break down the essential components of a chatbot. The user interface. This is what you see and interact with, the chat window, the buttons, etc. Natural language processing, NLP. Engine. This is the brain of the chatbot. What is natural language processing, NLP, in chatbots? It's the ability of the chatbot to understand human language, interpret its meaning, and even identify the intent behind your words. The knowledge base. This is where the chatbot stores information, answers to frequently asked questions, and data it needs to respond effectively. The dialogue management system. This component manages the flow of the conversation, keeping track of what's been said and determining the appropriate next response. For AI chatbots, machine learning, ML engine. For more advanced chatbots, what is machine learning in chatbots? It's the ability of the chatbot to learn from past conversations and improve its responses over time. tnthomesforsale is a real estate business in Trinidad, now leveraging these components to get more leads and grow on autopilot. How chatbots actually work. Now for the big question, how do chatbots function? And more specifically, how do AI chatbots operate? Here's a simplified overview of the process. User input, you type or speak your question or request. NLP processing. The NLP engine analyzes your input. How natural language processing in chatbots works involves breaking down your text into smaller parts, identifying keywords, understanding the grammatical structure, and trying to determine your intent. Intent recognition. The chatbot tries to understand what you want to achieve. Are you asking a question? Making a request? Providing feedback? Knowledge retrieval. Based on your intent, the chatbot searches its knowledge base for relevant information or pre-programmed responses. Response generation. The dialogue management system selects the most appropriate response. For AI-powered chatbots, how machine learning powers chatbots comes into play here. They might generate a unique response based on patterns learned from previous conversations. Output. The chatbot presents the response to you through the user interface. The role of algorithms and AI. Under the hood, how chatbot algorithms work can get quite complex. Basic chatbots might rely on simple rule-based systems, where predefined keywords trigger specific responses. However, modern AI chatbots utilize sophisticated algorithms, often involving machine learning, to understand context, handle variations in language, and even learn from mistakes. Think about chatbots used by some of the larger organizations that might serve customers here in Trinidad and Tobago. They often employ these advanced algorithms to handle a wide range of inquiries. Why use chatbots? So why are chatbots used so widely? And why do businesses use chatbots? There are several key reasons. 24/7. Availability. Chatbots can provide instant support and information at any time. Improved customer service. They can handle common queries quickly, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Increased efficiency. Chatbots can handle multiple conversations simultaneously. Cost savings. Automating customer interactions can reduce operational costs. Lead generation. Chatbots can gather information from potential customers. You might see local businesses in Trinidad and Tobago increasingly adopting chatbots to improve their customer engagement and efficiency. Check out tnthomesforsale.com to see how a chatbot works to gain more leads. This can be a game changer for real estate agents. The future of chatbots. The technology behind chatbots is constantly evolving. We're seeing more sophisticated AI, better natural language understanding, and more personalized interactions. As businesses in Port of Spain and across Trinidad and Tobago continue to embrace digital solutions, chatbots are likely to play an even bigger role in how we interact with services and information online. So there you have it, a breakdown of how chatbots work, from their basic components to the advanced AI that powers them. We hope this video has demystified these digital assistants for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions you have, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech explainers.